gone now for about 4 kilometers from the place I was. Nothing has changed. You can see cars ahead of me. I don't want to say the road users are careless or ignorant, but as you can see, they are not using the right indicators to show that this place is foggy. So I don't know why they do so, or they decided to do so. They are just driving. But as long as we reach safe, we have no problem. But they are too economical with the lights of the car. So the Sandstorm has not changed, it's the same. Everywhere it is the same. But I hope it gets clear as the minutes or the hours go by. Yeah, that's it guys for now. The weather is like that.